When a BoxOffice kiosk is first activated, it enters a special boot mode, where a technician supplies the URL of the database and the ID of the kiosk. Once a valid URL and ID are supplied, the software begins loading all relevant information from the database, which may take some time. Once the kiosk has loaded all the data, it enters its standard operation mode. The page you see before you is essentially the home page of the kiosk. It displays all media that is available through the kiosk, divided into categories by media type. Each of these categories can be sorted in one of four ways: alphabetic ascending, the default; alphabetic descending, user rating lowest to highest, and user rating highest to lowest. Each category can be sorted individually, or all four categories can be sorted at once using the control at the top of the page. The browsing page also features the ability to search the kiosk stock based on a keyword. Search results are displayed on a separate page, which allows the user the ability to return to their previous search results. From either the browsing page or from search results, users can click on a media item, which will bring them to a description page for that item. This page displays all relevant information for the media item, including the item's title, rating, and description. From this page, users can also add an item to their rental cart if they are signed in to their BoxOffice account. However, if a user has already rented an item, they cannot rent another copy of the same item. Once a user is signed in, they can add items to their cart. Clicking the cart icon in the menu will bring users to a page displaying information on all items in their cart. If the user accidentally added an item to their cart they did not want, they can simply click the Remove button and the item disappears. Once the user is happy with the items in their cart, they can rent all items in the cart using the Rent button. After inserting their credit card, all items in the cart are rented out to the user. If users wish to view their rentals or return any media items, they simply need to click on the account link in the menu. This will bring them to a page listing all their active rentals. Active rentals are divided into three categories: overdue rentals, returnable rentals, and other rentals. Since items can only be returned to the kiosk from which they are originally rented from, all active rentals from other kiosks are placed in the other rental category. Any overdue rental on the account page is highlighted with a red border and a red return button. To return an item, the user simply needs to click the return button and insert the item they wish to return. Once this process is complete, the rental is marked as returned and the item is reloaded into the kiosk stock. BoxOffice kiosks also have a number of smaller features. Items that are out of stock in the kiosk are still displayed on the browsing page, though they are given a special overlay that marks them as out of stock. If an item is out of stock, there is not an option to add it to the cart on the description page. The login prompt is designed to make the login process a little easier for the user by recognizing both empty fields as well as invalid usernames and invalid passwords. The account page is built to recognize if a user has no items checked out, and the cart page is designed to recognize an empty cart. The kiosk also features the ability to navigate backwards through pages the user has previously visited, including search results, through the Back button.